Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing eye type and stabilizing the fabric so placement holds. Start now. Position the eyes symmetrically using pins or a soft marker and center them relative to the pattern. Once positioned, secure the site by adding a tiny felt washer or a few reinforcing tapestry stitches on the back. This prevents sagging over time. Make sure to check spacing visually and with a measuring guideline so both eyes read as even from the front. You now attach safety eyes by pushing the stem through the prepped hole so the eye face sits flat. Once through, align the washer with the stem and press it on until it locks. You may feel a tactile click indicating a secure fit. If resistance is heavy, protect the eye surface and use pliers gently. After locking, tug lightly to test. If fabric was loose, reinforce around the stem with a few crochet stitches or a drop of fabric glue to prevent rotation. You finish by sewing on eyes when safety types are unsuitable. Thread a sturdy needle and make multiple passes through the eye base or washer holes, pulling snug but not distorting stitches. Once secure, tie and bury your knot inside the fabric to hide ends and trim excess. Finally, shape surrounding stitches so the eye sits naturally. If alignment shifts or the eye wobbles, add a felt backing or switch to a larger washer. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.